you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 38 of GK, and the name of the chapter is the famous rivers, right? So हमें पता है कि हमारी कंट्री में ऐसी बहुत सारी फेमस रिवर्स हैं जो एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में फ्लो करती हैं, right? So in this chapter we all are going to study about those famous rivers. So let's begin. So first of all we have two exercises. So let's begin with the A1. These are some famous cities. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ famous cities दी हुई है, right? Name the river that flows by them. We all know कि हमारे इंडिया में कुछ famous cities हैं, right? Name the river that flows by them. तो हमें ऐसी एक river का नाम बताना है जो इन सब cities में से flow करती है, right? So choose your answer from the help box. तो हमें यहाँ पर एक help box भी दिया हुआ है and we can choose our answers from this help box. So the first city that is mentioned over here is Varanasi, right? So Varanasi में से we all know that the Ganga river flows from Varanasi, right? So let's write Ganga over here. Ganga. After that, next we have the city named Cairo, right? So Cairo में से जो river pass होती है that is named as Nile river, right? Nile. After that, third we have the city named as Paris. So Paris में से जो river pass होती है it is the Seine river, right? So this river is named as Seine, S-E-I-N-E, Seine. After that, next city that we have is London, right? So we all know कि London में से जो river pass होती है that is known as the Thames river, right? So let's write Thames over here. Thames. After that, next city that we have is Nasik. So Nasik से जो river pass होती है that city is named as Godavari. After that, next city that we have is Agra. So Agra से जो river pass होती है that is named as Yamuna. Yamuna. After that, let's begin with the second exercise, which is write the jumbled words in the correct order to fill in the blanks. तो हमें यहाँ पर कुछ unjumbled words हर sentence में दिए हुए हैं, right? So हमें इन्हें correct करके लिखना है so that we can fill the blanks, right? So the longest river in India is, हमें पता है कि longest river जो हमारी इंडिया की है that is Ganga. So let's write Ganga over here. Ganga. After that, when a river overflows, it causes. जब एक river जो है उसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा पानी भर जाता है, then it is known as the flood. After that, next, the two sides of a river are called the. तो river की जो दो sides होती हैं उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं banks, right? So let's write banks over here. After that, next, the longest river in the world is. The longest river world की हमें पता है that it is Nile. So N-I-L-E, Nile. After that, the river with the large amount of water is Nazamu. So Nazamu यहाँ पर क्या है उस river का नाम है Amazon, right? So Amazon is the river with the largest amount of water. So Amazon is the correct answer, right? So I hope you all are aware of the famous rivers of our country. So that was all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.